right? So if I will say, have you had your lunch? Okay, and if I will say another thing, another sentence, did you have your lunch? So what is the between? What is the where we use that two things?
Did you have
Did
your
you?
lunch? Yeah, it means you are talking that no lots long time. I think you have changed your earphone right now. Have you changed?
No, I didn't change anything. I'm just same.
Okay, okay, okay,
Maybe
okay.
it's issue about network. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So you can record this video.
Uh, no, if you say, then I will record. If you don't say, I
Yeah,
will not
you
say.
can you can you can record videos. Yeah, you can record if
Oh,
you yeah. And
okay, okay.
after recording you if you want then you can send me because I want to see myself right after
All,
speaking. Yeah, yeah,
all
yeah.
right, all
So
right. I will send you. Don't worry, I will send you.
yeah, yeah.
Uh,
So bro,
so,
just
so nowadays, what have you focused means about English language? If you talk about me, so I am focused nowadays tenses, grammar section. Nowadays, that's why I just when I talk with a Klepengo teacher, so I ask more the time, can you tell me, ma'am, use of was, were, had, and can you tell me, ma'am, did and have, what is the difference between? And yeah, that's the thing I'm nowadays I'm focusing. So what you are focusing nowadays?
nowadays I am just trying to improve my fluency and second
Okay,
thing is pronunciation. Yeah, pronunciation. And third
pronunciation.
thing, yeah, and third thing that sometime while speaking, sometime I do some grammatical mistakes. So also I nowadays improving. So three thing I'm improving these days. Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, because
But
you know
nowadays, go
while
ahead,
is
please.
yeah while speaking sometimes whenever we lots of content came in my mind I was just keep speaking so in between sometime I observe myself that there is some mistake grammatical error so that thing I want to improve because how much fluency do you have I don't think that matter it's matter but the way you speak correct in a correct way that's also matter so somehow I am trying to improve in three aspects so that in future if somewhere if I also get chances to make someone learn or teach someone then I can teach well right because if I learn wrong then definitely I will teach other wrong so these are the thing yeah yeah so I want to be perfect in every aspect basically I want to be perfect in every aspect yeah either
That's
it's a
great.
grammar
Yeah,
section fluency or pronunciation yeah.
yeah, not this, but I'm not focusing pronunciation. But sometimes if someone say to me, you can pronounce that word in that way, that time I focus, but not means not I'm practice. I'm not doing practice nowadays. But yeah, it will help me if I will do. So what about grammar? Do you know means about grammar tenses?
Yeah, yeah. I have read throughout the grammar. Yeah,
You have done it tenses, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
I
I've
think
done
I have done all grammar, not only tenses, everything in the grammar.
okay
Like
tenses
yeah,
and passive voice. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Go ahead.
Narration, active, passive tenses, models, verb, no, auxiliary verb, helping verb, all the things I have done in the grammar.
You
Yeah.
have that's great. That's great. So man means so okay. I have question about tenses. You can describe if you know. Okay. So so tell me difference between did and had. What is the
Did
difference between did and
did and have.
yeah?
Actually,
Where
both
you
have.
use go ahead please.
Okay, means your question is when I can use did or when I can use have. So it's
Yes.
lots of way where I can use. I cannot say a specific way. Like in a past, whatever we have done, like yesterday मैंने ये काम किया, I did this thing. From where I can use,
Okay.
And in a have there are lots of use because if someone someone asks that have you had your lunch, you can say yes, I have. No, while yeah, and have basically we can use in present perfect tense. Have, after have, if you want to use any kind of verb should be in third form. Like क्या तुम खा चुके हो, have you eaten? क्या तुम जा चुके हो, have you gone? क्या तुम घूम चुके हो, have you been there? Yeah, this kind of thing.
Okay, all right. So if I will say, have you had your lunch? Okay, and if I will say another thing, another sentence, did you have your lunch? So what is the between? What is the where we use that two things?
Did you have
Did
your
you
lunch? Yeah, it means you are talking that no lots long time you have had your lunch and before. It's not in a urgent situation.
before?
Like yeah, in a
Ah,
currently, if I am asking, suppose that recently I have taken my lunch and again I have asked that have you had a lunch? That means you are talking about the currently, right? And when you have talk about that, that would be the past. Did you have a
yeah.
lunch? Which I think I'm not a teacher, but I
Yeah,
have
yeah,
heard
yeah.
it.
You are that. You are that. You are that. It's meant that if you say someone, did you have your breakfast? It means that breakfast timing has gone. You are not present moment that time. That is
Yeah, yeah,
past.
yeah.
You are saying
Exactly.
great, great. You are
Exactly.
saying yeah. You are saying that. Yeah. And if I will say, have you had your breakfast? It means your that is your present moment. That is your present moment.
Provision.
You have done
Okay.
recently. Yeah, yeah. That's
So
the thing I knew. Yeah. Go ahead, please.
yeah, so just tell me one thing because I have seen your video most of the time. You have asked me where I will use had, in present tense to think that had plus V3 and simply subject plus verb two. In a present tense, there are two simple present tense and sorry past tense, simple past tense, and another is past perfect tense. No, in past perfect tense we use had plus V3. In simple past tense we use subject plus V2. Are you
Yes.
getting me? So I have
Yes,
a
I
simple
got it.
question that yeah, I have a simple question that now many people say that na कि तुम वहां गए थे. People say that have you gone there? And some people also say that have you been there? So what are the difference between gone and been?
Have you been there? Okay, if you say have you been there, so I think it's mean you have go there. You came also. Have you been there? Someone asking to you, have you been there? Means uh, in Hindi we can say क्या तुम वहाँ गए थे? It's have you gone there? It's mean ना, right? क्या तुम वहाँ गए थे? It's mean Hindi. Have you gone there? हिंदी इन हिंदी क्या तुम वहां
Yeah,
गए थे
yeah.
बट हैव यू बीन देयर मींस क्या तुम वहां जाके आ चुके हो आई थिंक आई एम नॉट श्योर डू यू
Exactly,
नो
you are right. Exactly, you are right. When people use been, that means it means that you have gone and come back from that particular place where you have gone. And when you use
वाओ
gone, that means you have just gone. Exactly, bro. You are superb. Now you are improving. Yeah. You are
थैंक यू आई एम
taking
सो ग्लैड
you are taking
या
the advantage of Flamingo. You are taking the advantage of Flamingo.
यस यस ब्रो यस यस and you thank you for your test me really it's very necessary if someone say to me then I will explain so it will get confident yeah
So just bro, tell me about the Clampingo. That how did you take? How much subscription means? How much money have you spent on that? And how much time do you take for speaking in a day? And
you
from
know
how did
huh, go ahead.
I have three questions. How much money have
Mhm,
you spent on your Clampingo? Second one is that
mhm.
how much time do you take for speaking in a day? And third is that how did
Okay.
you get the idea that I have to spend money on Clampingo? Three question.
Three question. Okay, you have three question. Okay, one by one, I will try to give you answer. Okay. Okay. So So first, I will give you where I will get idea to Calepingo. So first, I will tell you. I will check YouTube channel. I was learning YouTube channel means I watch YouTube channel. So that time I get idea. So there's a Calepingo application you can practice iconic, iconic, someone is iconic channel. There's one guy, Iconic. His channel name is Iconic. He ran that video about Kelipingo. So I will get idea from there. I got idea from there. And second question is how much you will spend money. So I think around uh, I have subscription, 700 rupees. That I think 4 times I have subscription. 4 times I think I have done it. So I think if you multiply 7 to 4, so I think 3,000, around 3 to 4,000. So I spend money 3 to 4,000. And third question you have, what is the third question?
How much time Clampingo gives you to talk in a single day?
In 15 minutes. He gave me 15 minutes in weekly. I have subscription, monthly subscription. I have subscribed monthly. So they give to me 1 month 4 sessions. They allow me 1 month 4 sessions. So I do weekly one session only. One week one subscription. One session I subscribe. Yeah, I took I take one session 1 week. In monthly 4 session only I have done. I do.
Okay,
I hope you
okay.
get.
Yeah. I'm getting you. I'm properly getting you. Now you are, you can, you are, you are a better speaker than me, bro.
No,
You,
not that the thing. No,
yeah.
no.
So I just I want to ask one more question that uh suppose that you are talking with a Clampingo teacher, right? It can be anyone, right? Maybe that would be lady or that would be a man. Okay. So after talking, have you ever tried to take her or his number so that you can talk personally for improving English? Is it happen on Clampingo? It can be or not. Just I want to know. Yeah.
It could be happen. It depend on the teacher. It depend on the teacher. If you can ask to her or him, yeah, ma'am, I wanted to talk with you personally, and I wanted to talk with you, practice with you in personally. So if it depend on teacher, if maybe he could be give you number or mail ID, but I don't think it could be happen. But it could be happen. Maybe it happen.
Yeah, it depends to person, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it depend on teacher. It depend on teacher. Filipino
Yeah.
teacher.
Clampingo teacher. I think in Clampingo, most of the people are from India, right?
Yeah, most of the teacher nowadays, yeah, you can say most of the people they belong to India. Yeah, today.
Yeah, because in a Kamli, I have seen most of the teachers they from outside from our country.
Yeah, they are native speaker. Cambria people if you talk about. Yeah, today.
Yeah. So, bro, just I would like to know a little bit of you. So, could you tell me about yourself? Because just I know your name only. Yeah. If you will tell me, I'd be glad to know about you, right?
Definitely, I will tell you. And I didn't ask you what about yourself. So I will tell you after when I will tell you myself. Okay. So my name is Shahid, and I am from Jharkhand, and I have been learning English for 8 months, you can say, and I am very curious about to learn English language, and I like to play cricket. Yeah, that is the short introduction. And what about your? Hey, can you tell me about your introduction?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will tell you. Let me ask something. In Jharkhand, from where are you?
I'm from Jamshedpur. I think you have heard it.
Tata Jamshedpur. Yeah.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Basically, I'm from Bihar, but right for last 3 years I have been in Jharkhand, Ranchi.
Oh, wow, that's great. Ranchi, you're very near from me. That's great, buddy.
Yeah.
That's great. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
So my name is Mahana Pratap Singh. Basically, I'm from Bihar, but currently I live in Ranchi, Jharkhand. I think for last 3 years I have been here. And as far as my qualification, right now I'm doing my graduation, second year, right? At the same time, I'm preparing for exam, yeah, competitive exam, and Indian Army for Indian Army. My dream
Wow.
is to join Indian Army. Yeah, my dream is to join Indian Army. So I'm preparing for that.
I hope you will, your desire will soon come. Okay, that's great.
Indeed.
Indian Army is a very good thing, brother. Really, I think you have good height. I think there's a requirement to height and means some healthy body. I think there's
Yeah,
requirement.
yeah. I'm a very health conscious guy. I always take care of my health, whatever I have. I maintain my health
Yeah,
every day. Yeah.
that's great. Great. So, what about your lunch? Have you had it?
No, till now. No, no, no.
No,
I
same
haven't.
here.
I I know
Yeah,
before calling you, I thought that let me have my lunch, then I will talk you. Later on, I think that let me talk first, then I will have lunch.
wow, same here, brother, same here. I was thinking, can I call first or can I take my lunch first? Same thing I was thinking.
Yeah,
Really, I haven't taken lunch yet. So okay, then we will take lunch now. I think.
yeah,
So
yeah.
then we will talk
So
later.
yeah, sure. So have you recorded this session or not?
Yeah, I have this session I have recorded. If you say to me, so then I will upload this video in YouTube. If you
Yeah,
want, otherwise
sure. Sure. You can upload on YouTube and send me this video to me, right? And
definitely I will
yeah.
have, I will send you that. Definitely I will send you your video right now. And okay, thank you for giving permission to upload on my YouTube channel.
No, no,
It's
no.
really
And
great.
I must say that whenever I have to go no Tata, whenever I have some work, if maybe in future, because right now I'm in Ranchi, definitely I will contact you, bro.
Thank you, brother. It's very glad. It's very glad moment for me. Yeah. Okay. Take care of yourself.
Okay.
Bye bye. Have a good day. Have a great day, brother.
Yeah,
And
same to
we
you,
will,
bro. Same to you.
yeah, and I will talk to you later. And we will do practice too because it's very important. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.
Yeah. Very soon we will have another session with you.
That's great. That's great, brother. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.